Hi, this is Alex, and very excited to introduce our full line of game room furniture that we have here. We have pool tables, shuffleboard tables, foosball tables. We even have the conversion tops to make a pool table, a ping pong table. The great thing is our pricing. You can get a pool table here with the 1-inch Diamond Hones Slate, extra wide rails, leather pockets, with a true lifetime warranty starting at $16.99. A couple of other unique things here is we have, this company has a unique patented design to put all of your pool cues, balls, everything into a storage that stores really easily and pulls right out, right under the table, so they're not lying around over the house, and you can have a nice, keep everything organized. We have a full line of poker tables, we have matching bars, and what's been really popular have been our shuffleboard tables. And we have a couple different designs, and we even have the lights, the scoreboard if you really want to impress your friends in the basement or wherever your game room is. Other unique thing too is we can get into some real designer looks as well. This is kind of like a distressed, weathered look, which is really, really popular. I mean, some of these tables, other stores are going to charge up to $6,000 for a table like this. You can get the table, the shuffleboard table, and even a foosball table for that same amount of money here. The other unique thing is just the construction, the patent construction that we have. I mean, these things are built like a tank, and that's why they have a lifetime warranty. So as far as quality and price, you know, again, this is just something that we have under the same roof. Because we sell all of our other products, we're able to sell these for less than